Hello everyone, I am Sanket SK. Today I am here to explain how we can give access to our Docker server for other systems. Before knowing that, we have to know what is Docker daemon. Docker daemon is a process that listens to client calls through REST API and manages Docker daemon and manages Docker images, containers and storage. The connection between daemon and the client is done using Unix sockets. The Docker daemon is responsible for building, running or distributing Docker containers. So how we can give our access to Docker server for other systems? Let's see that. First we have to create some files and make some changes. So let's go through that. Before doing any changes to the configuration files, we have to stop the Docker. After stopping the Docker, we can do any changes to the files. So let's go through that. First we have to open a file under /etc/docker named daemon.json. It is a JSON file which consists of the following information. Host refers to the current system. Here TCP colon 0.0.0 colon 2375 which refers that it is using TCP protocol, and 0.0.0 refers that Docker daemon listen on all available network interfaces on TCP on port 2375, which refers to Docker daemon's port number. Unix /variable/run/docker socket is used by configuring Unix domain socket endpoint. The Docker client running on the same host can communicate with Docker daemon without using the network. This is default and more secure way to interact with the daemon on a local machine. To do that, we are using Docker socket. So next we have to configure another file under directory /etc/system/system/docker/docker.service.d. Under that directory we have to create a file called as override.conf. To edit this file we have to give sudo privileges, but I have already created it, so I am not giving it. So here we are specifying the services that are provided by this override.conf file, which is being execution start. It is a configuration option in systemd service unit files. It specifies the command and arguments that are executed when starting a service using systemd. In this case being it is a daemon. Here we are overriding the default execution start for Docker service. It's a command for Docker service. It's a command for Docker service used to ensure that Docker daemon is started with specified options in daemon.json file. This activates when we use systemctl start docker, suggesting it to refer /user/bin/dockerd. After setting up the override.conf file, we can just check what is the contents of this /user/bin/dockerd. Please do not change any of it. As you can see, it is a low level language which we cannot read or make any sense of, but it is used to run daemon. After this we can reload the daemon and restart the Docker. Now the Docker system is ready for communication with other systems, but for this video I am just using it on my system itself and showing you how it works. Here I am accessing images currently on my Docker system through localhost. As we can see that we can access each and every details of the images that are on my system. As you can see, I have run two images, hello Hello World and Ubuntu. Here you can see details of Hello World and Ubuntu 20.10. So apart from using localhost on the current system, when we are using it from another system, we have to be on the same network. So being on the same network, we can use the IP address of this system. So we can just replace localhost with the IP address and we can access the same details here. So this was my demonstration how we can give access to our Docker server for other system. Thank you.